Welcome to PartsHnC, your one-stop destination for all your HVAC needs. Ensuring a comfortable indoor environment requires top-notch HVAC parts. From regulating temperature and humidity to promoting proper airflow, these essential components greatly enhance your heating and cooling system's functionality. Say goodbye to inefficiency and hello to superior performance with PartsHnC. First up, we have thermostats, the brains behind your HVAC system. These clever devices empower you to set and maintain the perfect temperature, offering you ultimate comfort throughout the year. With cutting-edge technology and precision engineering, our thermostats deliver unparalleled reliability and accuracy. Air filters are another critical component of HVAC controls. These workhorses clean your air, trapping dust, pollen, and other nasties. At PartsHnC, we offer filters to fit every need and system. With regular filter replacement, you can prolong the life of your HVAC system and enjoy cleaner, fresher air. Of course, proper airflow is essential for maintaining comfort and efficiency. Ducts and registers play a key role in distributing air evenly throughout your home. Dampers control this airflow. By adjusting the position of these valves, you can optimize airflow and maximize energy efficiency, saving you money on your utility bills. Boost your comfort and efficiency with PartsHnC's top-tier HVAC components. Visit our website for a wealth of resources and to explore our expansive inventory.